Hey everyone, it's Chanel again, bringing you another quick, fast, easy recipe. So today we're going to have honey glazed salmon on the menu. So these are the ingredients for everyone who needs to pause. You'll also have it in the description. So let's get started. So you're going to first have a medium heat and you're going to melt your butter. So this step is important to brown the butter because it gives it an extra yummy flavor. And it's probably going to take about 2 minutes for it to brown completely and melt. If you took it out before then of course it will be faster. You're going to stir that, stir. You're going to have some minced garlic. You could use the one that's already in the jar. I minced some freshly, and you're going to pour it right into the butter. So look how beautiful that looks. You're going to whisk it all together, and as you could see, it's turning a little bit more brown. You're going to add your honey. So I recommend using a good quality honey because those cheap honey, they don't taste as good. You could try it and just let me know how you guys like it. Which honey is your favorite? So you're going to whisk this all together. You're going to start to see it brown and thicken. Look how good that looks. It's bubbling. And then voila, it's going to become golden and thick. So now this is the start to your glaze. After that, when you see that it's all incorporated well, you're going to add your citrus. You're going to put some freshly squeezed lemon juice in it. You can use the lemon juice already in the bottle. I like it fresh. I like everything fresh. I used fresh everything in this because it just, to me, makes it taste better. Alright, so you're going to let that simmer. So you want it to thicken. You want it to actually become a glaze again, okay? Next, you're going to get your salmon. You could use salmon steaks or fillets, whichever one floats your boat. And you're going to add it right to the fire, okay? So with the pan, it's on medium high, I believe, right now. And you're going to just put it in with your seasonings. I thoroughly season my salmon because I don't like flavorless anything. So this is parsley, paprika, sea salt, and pepper. It's very simple, but it tastes delicious, okay? So spread that all over your salmon. You don't need to season both sides, just the top. So you just want it to sit for a few, up to about 60 seconds, just so that the bottom is starting to cook. It's going to immediately start to cook. Salmon does not take long, but look at that view. It's so fresh, it's so yummy, and it's delicious. So now you're going to preheat your oven. You could do 400 or broil depending on your pot, okay? So now you see me grabbing a spoon and tipping the pan over a little bit so that I could glaze the salmon. Make sure that when you're tipping the pan over, you're not burning yourself. So I advise to use a mitten or some type of protectant from the heat of the pan. This is a cast iron pan. It gets really, really hot. So make sure that everything is thoroughly covered with the glaze, because this is the best part, okay? That glaze makes this whole dish. As you could see, I'm still spooning it over. And look at that garlic. You see the seasonings. Everything is very well covered, and you see that it's cooked. Now I'm just putting in some lemon wedges that I cut up, and I just put it on the sides of them. You can cut them in thin slices and put it on top. I didn't do it this time, but whatever you want to do, you could be creative. You could even add a lime into this. I prefer the lemon just in wedges on the side. And I put it on each one. I love that lemon flavor. It just spices up the dish and gives it a good balance between sweet and, the sour. So then I'm just squeezing one of the halves of the lemon juice over the salmon. And then I put it right into the oven, okay? So I did it for a little bit longer. I would suggest if you're going to broil it, put it for 3 minutes. And if you're going to put it for 400, depending on your pan, to put it for 5 minutes. But look how perfectly cooked this is. It came out so delicious. And this is such a quick recipe. You could add it with rice. You could add it with mashed potatoes. You could put broccoli on the side. It's to, whatever you enjoy. And that's that. And here are the pictures of this delicious dish. And I added some dill on top of that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So please remember to subscribe to this video. Like, share, and comment. You enjoy.